This is the four-legged knot. It looks like a cross, but there's a little knot right in the center there. And this is how you make it. We start at the top of our cross, come on up, and we make a straight stitch down the center there. Now we want to add the bars of our cross. So we come up on one side, and I'm going to lay my thread across my stitch going in the opposite direction. And now from the same side my thread is coming out on, I'm sliding my needle underneath that straight stitch and over my laid thread. Pull that through, and we want to tug that down so it's nice and tightly wrapped around our straight stitch there. And then we go down on the other side, finishing up our cross. And that is the four-legged knot.